Good evening, everybody. Once again, Mr.V.Subramanian, authorized distributor for all mutual fund, advisor Star Health Insurance, advisor HDFC Life Insurance, business associate SHRIRAM Finance, retired banker, 9787552042. Once again, I am coming out with a video program. My today's trend is that everybody is having an housing loan. Whenever you want to purchase a house, immediately you go for housing loan, which are available at a nominal rate of interest. So the purpose of this video is that whatever housing loan that you take, you pay interest. How to recover the entire interest paid during the period? What is the method? And this is related to mutual fund in a way. So I will explain to you by giving some example, then only you will understand. The entire purpose is the interest that you are paying towards your housing loan, you can recover it at the end of the repayment term and also create a corpus for your retirement purpose. So it's a double benefit that we will be getting. Say for example, you are purchasing house valued 1 crore 70 lakhs in Bangalore or any other city. The cost of the house is 1 crore 70 lakhs. I am taking two examples, two situations. One person is taking a housing loan with a margin of 52%. Another person is taking a housing loan with a margin of 25%. So two situations we are going to analyze. Now, if we take a margin of 52%, that is more than 50%, the loan amount comes to 80 lakhs in the first case. In the second case, with 25% margin, the loan amount comes to 1 crore 28 lakhs. So each one of them paying, the first one paying a margin of 90 lakhs, another one paying margin of 42 lakhs. This is the situation. And the rate of interest that I have taken is 8.40% and the repayment is 25 years. So I have also assumed that at the age of 35, he is taking a housing loan, the repayment is 25. So at the age of 60 years, the entire loan will be repaid. Then at the end of 60 years, you should also be in a position to get the entire interest paid and create a corpus also for you at the time of retirement. This is the purpose of this entire exercise. So now I have told you the example. Now if you continue with that example, in the case of first person, for a loan of 80 lakhs rupees, that is with 52% margin, he has to pay an EMI of 63,880. In the second case, for a loan of rupees 1 crore 28 lakhs, he will be paying an EMI of 1 crore 2 lakhs 210 rupees. So one is paying an EMI of 63,000 or another is paying an EMI of 1 lakh 2,000 and odd. Repayment 25 years. Now, if you calculate the entire 25 years repayment period, in the first case, he will be paying interest of around 1 crore 12 lakhs entire for the amount of 80 lakhs loan. And in the second case, he will be paying interest of 1 crore 78 lakhs for a loan of 1 crore 28 lakhs. Now this entire interest payment, that is 1 crore 12 lakhs and 1 crore 78 lakhs, how to be recovered fully at the end of the repayment term? Simple. The formula is, what is the EMI I have told in the first case? It is 63,880. Calculate 15% of your EMI. It comes to around 9,600 rupees. Similarly, in the second case, the EMI is 1,02,208 or something. 15% of it, the EMI comes to 15,500. So in the first case, you start an SIP for 9,600 and in the second case, you start an EMI for 15,500. Same repayment period, the SIP also will continue for 25 years without any break. So what happens? At the end of the 60th year, the repayment term comes to an end. The entire loan is also repaid. At the same time that you have started an SIP to the extent of 15% of your EMI will also be continued and you will get a corpus of 1 crore 63 lakhs at the end of the 60th year in the first case. In the second case, you get a corpus of 2 crore 63 lakhs. So how much interest that you have paid in the first case? 1 crore 12 lakhs, which I already told you. But you are getting a corpus of 1 crore 63 lakhs. Similarly, in the second case, your corpus is 2 crore 63 lakhs and the interest payment is around 1 crore 78 lakhs. So with this, the entire interest that you are repaid, you have paid to the bank will also be recovered by way of this SIP, which is calculated based on 15% of your EMI. So this is one of the best way of that is recovering your interest, and at the same time at the end of the 60th year, a big corpus is also created. 1 crore in the first case, it is around 1 crore 92 lakhs, and in the second case is around it is around 3 crore 6 lakhs. So during this period, you can avail your section 80C benefit also, because your repayment is continuing. Similarly, whatever the money that you are getting surplus by way of bonus or way of some other that is big receipt you are getting during the first 5-year period, try to repay that particular loan, because this SIB is continue to take care of your interest. So whatever additional money that you are getting during the repayment period, kindly repay to the loan account and reduce your principal amount. Thereby, your interest cost is also reduced, and you can also avail your section 80C benefit, as I have already that is told you. So in this way, the formula is very, very simple. 15% of your EMI for any housing loan, you start your EMI simultaneously. You start your 15% of your EMI in a SIP, in an index fund, or any active that is fund, with the help of your advisor or a distributor. So if you follow this, the entire that is money that is you are paid to by way of interest is also recovered, and you are also getting a good corpus, and that corpus at the age of 60 can be used for definitely going for systematic withdrawal plan, because people who do not have pension, they can also go for, with this corpus, around 10% of your corpus, you can always avail systematic withdrawal plan and get a pension amount also after your retirement. So this is a multi-purpose target which I am giving you, and people who have got housing loan, immediately start your SIP. Similarly, who are going for housing loan, always start your SIP with this formula and to reach your goal. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Enjoy this video and share this video with everybody. And if you want any help or advice, kindly that is approach me. All the best. Thank you very much.